Alright, let's get real about Almond Muse. Is this Instagram famous brand actually worth your money, or are you risking a fashion fail? So first up, Almond Muse isn't a scam. They're a legit company based out of Hong Kong. And yes, they really do deliver those sculpted, elegant dresses all over the world. They've been around since 2019 and built up a solid following, with over 100,000 fans on Instagram and Facebook. But, like most things online, it's not all sunshine and 5-star reviews. On Trustpilot, you'll see a split. Some shoppers rave about the high-quality fabrics and flattering designs, while others are definitely not happy, mainly about slow shipping and strict return rules. Here's what you really need to know before you pull out your credit card. First, shipping can be a gamble. The site promises your order will ship in 2 or 3 days, but in reality, it might take 10 days or more just to get processed. So, if you're shopping for a last-minute event, you might want to look elsewhere. Second, that return policy can get tricky. If you pay full price, you can usually get a refund. But if your item is marked as sale, and honestly, a lot of stuff is, then store credit is probably your only option. Plus, you only get 10 minutes after ordering if you want to cancel, so double-check your cart. Finally, sizing isn't always what you expect. Forget your usual dress size and check their specific chart, because customers say that makes a big difference. To wrap it up, Almond Muse is absolutely real. But if you want a smooth experience, check the fine print, double-check your cart, and don't cut it close with your delivery date. Happy shopping, and let me know if you've tried Almond Muse personally.